Well, I'm not having much luck right now. It almost looks kind of like it's become one with the pinion shaft, which is going to be kind of unfortunate. But I'm going to spray her down good, leave her set. I heated it once. There's a hole in the middle here, if I can do this. So I can get some on the backside there, but I think if I leave her for a while, maybe try a couple different kinds of penetrating oil, maybe we'll get somewheres. But it's work in progress. I did get a new manifold put on here not too long ago. So things are improving slowly.